Never mind. You just answered my question. What if I told you Shrimp had that dog in him? Okay, what is your gamer tag, bro? Do not do that, bro. Do not do that. Wait, where's my glasses? Where's my glasses? Cardiac. Sensor de Peru. Alright, we got a clip coming in from this guy. Okay, is this Rust? Rust in Ohio. Bro, what is this guy doing? Why is this guy naked with a Santa hat on holding a candy cane? Bro, what do you mean by that? Okay, well, he's not naked. At least he has pants on. Wait, what was that sound effect? What was that What the